Good afternoon. I am a teacher of Kazakh language, Doshan Shandarbekulu. This is the sixth lesson of our course called Kazakh language in 2 weeks. We have learned how to use the word verbs, and today I have prepared the task that will prove to you whether you have mastered the formula to use verbs. But first I want to stay in imperative verb form, negative and respectful treatment. If imperative verbs add negative suffix ma, me, ba, be, ba, be appear negative imperative words. For example, give on the Kazakh language bir. And the negative form imperative verb, do not let word bir, we must choose on suffix ma, o, me, pa, o, pe, ba, o, be. Word bir soft word, and we choose only soft suffix me, pe, bir, me. Do not let. If imperative verbs add a personal ending angas, appear respectful treatment. For example, please give, please give. After imperative verb, we choose on suffixes word bir soft, and we choose soft personal ending enges, bir enges. And the right answer bir enges. Bir give, bir me, do not let, biriniz give, please, respectful treatment. Now the task for you with the scheme verbs translated by verbs from the first to the English to Kazakh language, after Kazakh language to English language. Open on the Kazakh language, ash. Now, task for you, open, respectful treatment, open please. Right answer, ashınız. Don't open. Right answer, ashpa. Don't open, respectful treatment, don't open please. Right answer, açpanız. Did you open? Right answer. Sen açtın ba? Sen açtın ba? She didn't open. Right answer. Ol açmadı. Ol açmadı. He didn't open. But I will open. Right answer. Bırak. This is bad. I aşamın. Will open. Bırak men aşamın. Now, of Kazakh to English language. Audar means what? Translate. Audar, translate. Audarma. You answer. Ma, this is suffix negative. And the right answer, don't translate. Ol audardı. The personal ending the. Past. Time passed. Right answer. She translated. Sen audarasın ba. This is suffix future. Will. Right answer. Will you translate? After. Men audarmayman. Audar, translate. Ma. Negative suffix. Future suffix. Man. Personal ending. Men. Right answer. I won't translate. After. Yerteng men audaramın. Yerteng. Tomorrow. Yerteng. Tomorrow. Men. I. Audar. Translate. This is suffix. Future. And the right answer. Tomorrow. I will translate. Siz audarıp otırsız ba. Siz audarıp otırsız ba. Siz. Suffix up. Present. Otırsız ba. And the right answer. Do you translate? If you correctly translated words, then congratulate you on the success. And if there was an error, find a solution. All decision in the script of the verb. This concludes the 6th lesson. Sağ olun. Goodbye.